Ever wondered what are the most in-demand AI jobs right now? As we stand on the cusp of the AI revolution, the job landscape is evolving right before our eyes. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant future concept, it's here, and it's transforming how we work, live, and interact. With this revolution comes a surge in demand for AI skills, reshaping traditional roles and birthing new ones across various industries. From healthcare to finance, marketing to entertainment, AI's influence is pervasive. As this transformative wave continues, the need for AI expertise becomes more pressing every day. So what are these sought-after roles? We'll be diving into a comprehensive list of the top 10 most in-demand AI jobs, each one more fascinating than the last. Whether it's the strategic mind of an AI architect or the analytical prowess of an AI data scientist, we're about to explore these intriguing professions in detail. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 most in-demand AI jobs. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel now and give us a thumbs up. Yes, click the bell icon so we can send you each video as we upload it. Don't forget to share the video and leave us a comment, we want to hear from you. Thanks for the support. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the AI ethicist. This is a role that's quickly gaining prominence as we continue to integrate AI into our daily lives. An AI ethicist is tasked with the responsibility of ensuring that the development and application of AI technologies are conducted in a manner that respects the fundamental rights of individuals. They address concerns related to privacy, bias, and transparency, and create guidelines that promote ethical use of AI. Navigating the complex world of AI ethics requires a firm understanding of not only technology but also philosophy, law, sociology, and psychology. And yes, a passion for technology and a desire to make the world a better place are definitely prerequisites. Moving on to number 9, we find ourselves in the realm of AI research scientists. These are the individuals pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. They design and implement machine learning models, develop new algorithms, and conduct experiments to test the effectiveness of these models. It's a role that calls for strong problem-solving skills, a deep understanding of AI and machine learning techniques, and a healthy dose of creativity. AI research scientists are essentially the architects of the AI revolution, building the foundations on which future AI applications will be built. They work in a variety of settings, from tech companies to universities, and their work is critical in driving the AI field forward. So, whether you're interested in the ethical implications of AI or want to be on the cutting edge of AI research, there's a role for you in the AI landscape. The world of AI is vast and varied, with opportunities that cater to a wide range of interests and skill sets. As we move up the ranks, the roles get even more exciting. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown of the top 10 most in-demand AI jobs. Coming in at number 8, we have the AI software developer. This role is quite the catch in the tech industry, being a fusion of software engineering and artificial intelligence. An AI software developer's job is to design, develop, and maintain AI software systems, and this requires a hefty repertoire of skills. They need to be proficient in programming languages such as Python or Java, have a solid understanding of algorithms and data structures, and possess knowledge about machine learning and neural networks. It's not just about coding, though. These professionals also need to have a strong grasp of AI principles and applications. Now, let's not forget the industries where these AI software developers are making their mark. From tech giants to startups, from healthcare to finance, the demand for this role is widespread. Whether it's developing AI-driven diagnostic tools in healthcare or designing intelligent finance management systems, AI software developers are at the forefront of innovation. On to number 7, we have the AI data analyst. This job is all about making sense of the massive amounts of data that AI systems generate. They collect, process, and perform statistical analyses on large data sets. They turn raw data into insightful information that can be used to make strategic decisions. Their toolkit includes knowledge of SQL, proficiency in data visualization tools, and a knack for statistical analysis. AI data analysts are highly sought after in industries that are data-driven, from e-commerce companies that need to understand consumer behavior to energy companies that require efficient resource management. AI data analysts play a pivotal role. They are the detectives of the data world, uncovering hidden patterns and insights that can drive business strategies and innovation. Both these roles, the AI software developer and the AI data analyst, are integral parts of the AI landscape. They might be different in their responsibilities, but they share a common goal: to leverage the power of AI to create solutions that can change the world. The higher we go, the more specialized the roles become. At the halfway mark at number 6, we have the AI engineer. A role that is as intriguing as it sounds. An AI engineer develops, manages, and oversees AI initiatives within a company. They're the ones who bring the concept of artificial intelligence to life, creating AI models and ensuring they work as intended. These engineers require a strong foundation in computer science, along with expertise in machine learning and deep learning. They need to be proficient in programming languages like Python or Java, and they must have a thorough understanding of data structures and algorithms. The role is complex, but the rewards are substantial. Their work can revolutionize how a business operates, leading to increased efficiency and innovative solutions. Now let's move a step further to number 5. Here we find the AI specialist. Broadly speaking, an AI specialist is someone who specializes in a particular aspect of artificial intelligence. This could be anything from natural language processing to robotics. An AI specialist's roles and responsibilities are diverse and depend largely on their area of expertise. They might develop specific AI capabilities for a company or work on fine-tuning existing AI systems. They might also be involved in AI research, pushing the boundaries of what's currently possible with artificial intelligence. To excel in this role, an AI specialist needs an in-depth understanding of their chosen AI area, as well as a solid grasp of machine learning principles. They also need to be problem solvers, able to think creatively and critically to overcome challenges and improve AI performance. In essence, both the AI engineer and AI specialist are crucial cogs in the AI machine. They bring a blend of technical skills and problem-solving abilities to their roles, helping businesses harness the power of AI and unlock new possibilities. The complexity of these roles shouldn't be underestimated. Both positions require a deep knowledge of AI and a commitment to continuous learning. But for those who are up for the challenge, these roles offer a chance to be at the forefront of one of the most exciting fields in technology today. We're now moving into the top tier of AI jobs. Cracking the top 4, we have the AI architect. This role is the cornerstone of any AI project. The AI architect is the visionary, the one who designs and builds the AI environment. The responsibilities are vast, including creating AI prototypes, developing AI models, and ensuring the seamless integration of AI systems into the existing IT infrastructure. To be an AI architect, you'll need a solid foundation in machine learning, deep learning, and data architecture. Programming skills in languages like Python, Java, and R are a must. You'll also need to be well-versed in cloud platforms and big data technologies. But it's not all about the tech. An effective AI architect must also possess strong leadership skills with the ability to guide and inspire a team. Next up is the AI product manager. This role is a unique blend of technical know-how and business acumen. The AI product manager is responsible for defining the AI product vision and strategy, managing the product lifecycle, and working closely with the AI team to ensure the product meets the needs of the end user. Skills required for this role include a strong understanding of AI technology, data analysis, and product management. But it's not just about understanding the technology. An AI product manager must also understand the market, the customer, and the business strategy. They need to be able to translate complex AI concepts into language that non-technical stakeholders can understand. Both the AI architect and the AI product manager play crucial leadership roles in the development and deployment of AI technologies. They set the strategy, guide their teams, and have a significant influence on the direction of AI within the organization. So if you're a strategic thinker with a passion for AI, these roles could be the perfect fit. They offer the opportunity to be at the forefront of AI development, shaping the future of this exciting field. And remember, these roles are in high demand, so the prospects and potential for growth are substantial. We're now at the doorstep of the top AI job in demand. And finally, at number 2, we have the AI data scientist. This role is crucial in any AI project. An AI data scientist is responsible for collecting, cleaning, and interpreting large and complex data sets. They use machine learning to create predictive models and algorithms, transforming raw data into actionable insights. The skills required for this role are vast, including proficiency in programming languages like Python or R, a strong grasp of statistics and machine learning, and the ability to communicate complex concepts effectively. The demand for AI data scientists is immense, and they command high salaries due to their unique skill set. Last but not least, we have the AI expert. This is a broad role that can encompass any of the previously mentioned positions. The AI expert is knowledgeable in all things AI, from theory to application, and they are often the go-to person for AI strategy and implementation in a company. There you have it, the top 10 most in-demand AI jobs. It's an exciting time to be part of this AI revolution.